What if I told you that a single warship could carry a floating air force, power an entire city, and project military dominance anywhere on Earth without ever needing to dock? US aircraft carriers aren't just ships. They are moving fortresses packed with hidden power that most people never truly understand. Today, we're going deep inside these giants of the sea. And what you're about to discover might completely change how you see naval warfare forever. One, a floating city on the ocean. At first glance, an aircraft carrier looks like a massive runway floating on water. But beneath that flat deck lies something far more complex. These ships are essentially floating cities. A typical US aircraft carrier can house over 5,000 personnel. That includes pilots, engineers, technicians, medical staff, and even chefs. Inside, you'll find sleeping quarters, gyms, hospitals, command centers, and supply storage that can last for months at sea. But here's the real shock. These ships can operate continuously for long periods without needing to return to port. Everything is designed for self-sustainability, from food storage to water purification systems. 2. Nuclear power, the ultimate advantage. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of US aircraft carriers is what powers them: nuclear reactors. Unlike traditional ships that rely on fuel, these carriers use nuclear energy, allowing them to operate for years without refueling. That means they can travel across the globe at high speeds without worrying about fuel logistics. This gives them a huge strategic advantage: unlimited range, high sustained speed, reduced dependency on supply lines. In simple terms, they can go anywhere, anytime, and stay there as long as needed. 3. A mobile Air Force base. The flight deck is where the real action happens. US aircraft carriers can carry 60 to 75 aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and surveillance planes. These aircraft can launch missions within minutes. Using powerful catapult systems, jets are accelerated from 0 to takeoff speed in just seconds. Imagine this: a fully armed fighter jet going from stationary to airborne in less than 3 seconds, all on a moving ship in the middle of the ocean. That's not just impressive, it's a game changer in modern warfare. 4. Advanced defense systems. Despite their size, aircraft carriers are not easy targets. In fact, they are among the most heavily defended assets in the world. They are equipped with close-in weapon systems that can shoot down incoming missiles, advanced radar systems that track threats from hundreds of kilometers away, electronic warfare systems that can jam enemy signals. And here's something many people don't realize: carriers are never alone. They operate as part of a carrier strike group, surrounded by destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and support ships. This layered defense makes them incredibly difficult to attack. Five. Precision and coordination. Like no other. Operating an aircraft carrier requires extreme precision. Every movement on deck is carefully coordinated. Flight deck crews use hand signals and color-coded uniforms to manage operations. Yellow shirts direct aircraft movement. Green shirts handle catapults and arresting gear. Red shirts manage weapons. Blue shirts handle logistics. It may look chaotic, but it's actually a perfectly choreographed system where every second counts. 6. The hidden technology inside. There's also a layer of advanced technology that remains mostly unseen. Highly classified communication systems, real-time battlefield data integration, AI-assisted threat detection, advanced navigation and targeting systems. These systems allow carriers to operate as command centers, coordinating air, sea, and even cyber operations. US aircraft carriers are far more than just ships. They are floating symbols of unmatched power, innovation, and strategic dominance. From nuclear propulsion to mobile air forces, from advanced defenses to psychological impact, their true strength lies not just in what you see, but in what remains hidden beneath the surface. And now that you've seen what they're truly capable of, the next time you hear about an aircraft carrier deployment, you'll know it's not just a ship moving across the ocean. It's power on a global scale.